To load a steel connection in your current project, go to the Structure tab and click on this arrow below the Connection tool. As you can see, there's quite a whole lot of connections added from which you can now choose from. You can select a certain connection group to make the search for a specific connection more easier. Select all the connections you'll need. Use the Ctrl or Shift button on your keyboard to select multiple connections. Then press Add to add them. You can remove the loaded connections by clicking Remove. You can always come back and add more connections to your project. Adding more will of course make your project file bigger. For this tutorial, we'll simply add them all. Now let's make a connection. First, simply select two profiles. Now go to the Structure tab and select the Connection tool. Choose the type of connection you want to make. Then press Enter or right-click and Finish to make the connection. If it's the first time a certain connection is made, it may take a while to show in the viewport. Now, to actually see the connection in full details with bolts and shirt plates and all, configure this in the Visibility Graphics. To do this, go to the View tab and select Visibility Graphics or use the VV or VG short keys on your keyboard. In the Model Categories tab, scroll down to Structural Connection and enable everything here and press OK. If you still don't see the connection, switch the viewport detail level to Fine. You can also add connections in the 2D view. And again, if you can't see the connections, switch them on in the Visibility Graphics Override menu and set the detail level to Fine. Now select what you want to connect with a Ctrl or Shift button on your keyboard and choose a connection. Now press Enter. You can also make the connections by first selecting the connection type. Then Ctrl or box select the profiles you want to connect and pressing Enter. For base plates, it's the same, only now you just have to select one profile. After a connection is made, you can also copy them around. Now, the cool thing about connections is that they are also flexible. So if I change the slope of these beams, for example, the connections will update. This is also true when changing a profile type. Another cool feature is that these connections are highly customizable as well. Simply select an existing connection and click on Modify Parameters. Okay, so that was it for this video. Now, if you'd like to see videos on how to use the different connections for specific situations, let me know in the comments below.